Oh my God.
Instructions.
9.5 swap.
Yeah. Ooh, she a little smoky.
Well, well, well. Look at what we've got. The Toxic Fox in the house. We got some stuff going on, you guys, in this video. You're going to like this. This car is getting a massive upgrade. Big shout out to Ram and to Handling. Oh yeah, we got some parts coming for y'all, and the biggest one is not even here yet. So they literally just pulled this car in and they are getting after it. So I'll go ahead and tell you guys, Mike is upgrading to the TKX. Transmission is going to be badass. What you got in here right now? 500?
Yeah, TKO 500 with the, what is it? There's a clutch in there.
We're going to let these guys video some. So I'll be videoing a little bit tonight, but after that, everybody else is pretty much going to handle this for me. So I think this is pretty cool. Car looks really good on camera too. Like it just shows up really well.
It looks really good.
Looks really good. See right there. Looks really good, he said.
I always do a phenomenal job. I know what you're talking about. I am great. Some people say I might be even better than you at it, but
Stay tuned and we'll show you all the specs on everything that's going in, and these guys will talk to you about it. Handling, they got jokes. Mike's got his TKX here, and you went with a 287 first gear?
Yeah.
Turbo car, by the way, and he just sent his flywheel off, got it all surfaced up, so he's good to go. He got the quick time bell housing, so now when his clutch comes apart, it won't cut his foot off. You can pick up every bit of this from Handling Motorsports. Ram clutch as well. Yeah.
Instructions. There we go.
So how much power is this thing supposed to hold? Should be good for
750, 8.
So it's the
clutch.
concept clutch.
Yep.
They make a concept and a force. Okay, the force comes with the flywheel.
I always recommend twin disc if you can swing it. If not, though, you don't have to do it, but the twin disc are nice for sure.
Giving us a decent deal on an awesome clutch here.
Yeah, that is badass.
we're ready to come out with the transmission already.
Down there or something.
Watch this 2 generations manhandle this.
I got it.
That was a TK. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I feel like Nakia purposely got a lift that was just tall enough for him to clear and not hit his head, but tall people hit their head 24/7.
He is short, so.
Cut this out. We've got the bell housing next.
One bolt.
We'll update y'all when we get the clutch out. Show y'all the flywheel clutch, how she looks too. Let the master mechanic do his work real quick. All right, we're getting ready for the clutch reveal.
Ooh, she a little smoky.
Man, she got a little hot.
A little hot. I told you it was.
A little bit.
It didn't like to do its thing.
Probably a couple no lift shifts in there.
That's why I'm
I
gonna
wonder
get
if they're gonna have to pull them
Oh
out.
yeah. About to pull this off now.
3/4 or 17.
And then we'll show y'all all the goodies we got. All right, Nakia, the master mechanic has something to show you.
I may be towing this buddy to the house.
It's bad. Like, bad.
Well, I told you the
I'm
bearing
trying to get
material
how
low.
much play it is.
Okay, we'll just drop a pan, put a thrust bearing in it.
Michael, what is
That's all I
your
would do.
expert opinion on this matter?
9.5 swap.
Well,
Hey, Hanley, you know how you said Team Coyote? you want to send a Coyote?
yeah. Oh my God! Exactly like the damn Calypso.
What was it? Oh, it was on the Calypso. We were pulling the motor out, and we went to grab on the crank as it was like pulling out, and it was like, doom. I was like, uh-oh. I wonder how long it's been riding like that.
Oh wow! A long while.
It's seen 16.5 pounds of boost overnight.
These turbos are rough on
did the other
freaking
night.
thrust bearing.
Yeah. It's the green cars, man.
Yeah, true. It's the green turbo car.
It's a white car. It's white.
Oh, yeah, that was turbo, too.
Yep.
Yeah, you gotta get this turbo off.
Turbo is the future. I don't know what you're talking about.
You like it's moving a little.
Turbos are good.
I'm starting to realize everything that comes in this garage starts off as a simple job. We venture off the original plan.
Well, I do have a set of heads to go on here.
Yeah. Decisions.
Michael, explain what we just did over here, because I have no clue.
So this is to make Hanlon happy. So we're doing everything by procedure the right way, all the time, always. So basically, we started out. I just had this at 0. We rotated all the way around. We found the highest positive point. The highest positive point on the dial indicator was right here. So I made that the new 0. From there, we had 0. We rotated around. From there, you want to go 90, 180, 270, back to your 0. 90 and 270 mark should be within 5 thousandths of each other. From there, 180 out will give you your reading that you're trying to find out if you need to use offset dials. Did we mention this? We're indexing the bellhousing?
I don't think we did, but that's what we're doing, guys.
Yeah, this is indexing the bellhousing.
By the way,
Yeah, so this is to figure out if you have any imperfections in the mounting surface on your block or the bell housing, which is a brand new bell housing, so you shouldn't. The spec you're looking for is under 12 thousandths at your 180 out mark from your 0 that you found. All right, so now we are done for the night
we are going to get the flywheel resurfaced in the morning.
because it got quite hot. And I think the plan is to put it back together and come up with a game plan of taking it back, tearing it apart, and rebuilding it, putting a thrust
And
bearing.
putting them real expensive heads I got for $80, and
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
that nice cam. But you never know. I might just go out of control like Michael did.
Yeah, dude,
I
He
mean,
gets it from his daddy.
do it.
let Nakia drive it, blow it up, and then
No.
we build a race car.
You can drive.
Don't let Nakia drive.
Yeah, he's kind of like 0-2 right now on motors in this household.
Yeah.
It's going to wake this car up, y'all. That's going to be nice. He can finally beat on it. We do have some issues. We'll talk about that later. But right now, this thing's going to work out perfect for this car. Oh, and you guys have never really seen underneath this thing, have you? Super nice setup here under Mike's car. Look at that. You can't see like the blue
can't see
in
the
it.
flake?
Yeah, not really. It just looks. It's
Got
just
some
tight,
pearl.
though. It do. It got some pearl on it. Some
pink
blue mica.
The pink pearl.
All right, so it's installed, and really, there's not much to share with you guys. You bolt everything down in sequence and make sure your lineup tools in there good.
Something strange. You have to take the alignment dowels that I just bashed in there. I had to take them back out.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
don't need
about that. Yeah, I forgot. Oh,
So,
some of these you
luckily-
don't have to have them.
Starter access. I just tapped them through the back.
This should be fun.
It's tapered. Yeah. Andrew said 3 quarters.
Well, till it runs out.
Till it comes out the hole.
Yeah.
And those are empty.
Yeah, they are.
We should have some more.
I got one more. I bought
Yeah.
4 because
Yeah. See.
the way things go, I usually kick one over or something, and then
Yeah. So how did the install go? Pretty good.
went easy
Yeah.
for the most part.
Well, I know the transmission just fell right in. So they installed the rest of this. Everything went smooth. Guys, it's not that big of a deal to put one of these transmissions in these cars. It's a direct bolt in, just in case anybody's wondering. It goes right in as long as you got your bell housing. You're good to go.
Oh no, my hole's too big.
All right, so we got the new ram in, and Mike is going to test the pedal feel. See what he thinks. Dude, that looks lighter though.
Butter.
Yeah, like butter, dude. That's crazy.
I have never had a clutch that light.
It's going to feel weird.
I'm gonna be up.
So the Ram twin disc is super light. I said it earlier and tried it myself, and it's just, I'm telling you, it's like butter, just like you said. Here's under the hood of the car. You guys really haven't seen this many times. 308, turbo, heads, cam, little car rips, man. This thing makes some damn good power. Also, remember, he's got the heads, and he's also got Michael's cam as well, so he might be doing some changing here pretty soon because I think we got a little thrust bearing issue going on with the car that we just noticed. So at some point we'll address it, but for right now, it's fine. It's probably been like that forever. Now if it comes apart tomorrow, hey, you know, it's not our fault.
I'm gonna take it really easy, go through my heat cycles, and then it's gonna be taken apart.
Yeah, for sure. So look at these boots, these spark plug wire boots. Well, it's the whole wire, it's the wire, everything. But check this out. They just look like they're white, like they'd be rubber, right? No, that is porcelain.
This thing's smooth as butter. Feels like the T5 with the Pro 5.0. No heater, no air conditioning. It's starting to fog up in here. At least I can blow air. So Hanlon said the drive gear is the same as the TKO 500, so speedometer should be correct. Transmission's quiet. TKO was a little bit louder, I think. Not much excitement on the highway. Can't go through the gears. I don't think I turned my windshield wipers on yet since I had the car. Still can't get over how smooth this clutch is. Well, guys, I love it. So, Hanlon, thank you. Ram, thank you. And Brutal, thank you for letting me use your facilities. All right, y'all.
And just like that, another satisfied Hanlon Motorsports customer. This TKX is going to be perfect for Mike's car. It's a turbo car, it makes good power, and this is the perfect transmission for him because Mike likes a T5 like style feel, and this clutch is like freaking butter, y'all. I've never felt a clutch so soft. Some people like that, some people don't. I actually like it. Mike likes it as well. This clutch is going to hold all the power that Mike can throw at it. I think this is just a really good combination for his car. Now it's time to talk about what happened with the thrust bearing. Like, what's going on with that? Well, turbo cars, guys, turbo cars. They're just rough on parts. And we had no clue that this was an issue until they pulled the clutch and realized, oh shit, you know, the crankshaft's moving. If you're finding bearing material in your oil, like it's kind of like muddy in there a little bit, there's a good chance that thrust bearing could be wearing out because there's just more meat on the thrust bearing. If it's moving back and forth, it can eat at the edges of the thrust bearing and get a lot of bearing material in your oil, but you still have oil pressure. It's kind of a weird deal with thrust bearings. We hated to put the car back together the way it is, but we didn't have a lot of choices. You know, it's probably been like this for years. Mike is not one to beat on his car all the time, so, you know, he's going to take it easy on it. We'll get that fixed. We'll get that sorted out. Maybe go stroker, maybe go 351. We don't know yet. But I just want to say, once again, thank you so much to Hanlon Motorsports. I know every time I say this, people are like, well, they're just trying to sell you stuff. But Hanlon, when you call them and you need parts, they know what you need. They've done a ton of these Mustangs and Camaros and everything else. So the good thing is you get the parts that you need while you're on the phone with them. Right? You don't want to get parts home and then like, oh man, I didn't know I even needed offset dowel pins. I didn't even know I needed an adjustable pivot stud. Well, they know this type stuff, so they're going to recommend it to you if you need it. It's not just about making money. I promise you, they want satisfied customers. That's why we love Hanlon, and that's why we work with them. Give Hanlon Motorsports a call, and look, give him a hard time as well. You know, he's a big Coyote guy. We're push rod guys, so if you're a push rod guy and you call up there, you let them know your team push rod. and they'll probably charge you 50% more. Just tell him you're a Coyote guy and you probably get a discount. All right, guys, look, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Stay tuned, though, because we've got, obviously, a full build coming for this car at some point. Love y'all. Catch you in the next one. And as always, thanks for watching. I want to dedicate this video to Cindy Berger. This was Mike's mom. Very supportive of everything that he did and the kids did. And what you're seeing on the screen here with the Toxic Fox was a collaboration with her. She wanted me to make a Toxic Fox shirt for Mike. So she had been on me for months, and I finally got around to doing it. She was like, hey, you know, have you got this shirt done yet? And I'm like, man, I need to go ahead and get this done for Miss Cindy. And finally I got what I thought was good, sent it to her, and she absolutely loved it. You know, as soon as you post these things, I'm ordering some. And she did. She ordered like 7 shirts. She just wanted to support the kids, you know, her son, her grandkids. And I just thought that was so cool. We lost her the night that they got the transmission done in the car. It's been rough, you can imagine, for Mike and for Michael and Aries and the whole family. But I just wanted to pay some respect, you know. There's a lot of moms and dads out there that are very supportive of what their kids and their family do. There's a lot that aren't as well. But regardless of that, we need to spend more time with our families because we never know what tomorrow will bring. I know this firsthand, and a lot of you do as well, but we need to make sure that we're telling people that we love them and spending time with them because you just never know.